Welcome to our today's WordPress tutorial. On this tutorial today we will learn how we can modify the text at the very bottom from our dashboard or admin panel, and we will replace this text with our desired text. To do that, we would have to know what is the current theme that we are using on our site. That's 2019. So let's open up the folder first. Here is our folder, and we would have to use functions.php page and use it with filter hook so that we can replace the current text with our desired text. So let's open up the functions.php page with our editor and scroll all the way bottom and simply write add filter. Let's copy this from here, admin footer text, copy it over here and create our callback function. Now remember, we are looking at over here that there should be a string that's being passed over or passed on. So instead of doing that, we can also write our callback function. So which should look something like this. And we can return actually false, nothing. So let's see what happens. Once you do refresh, there is nothing over here at the footer, right? But instead of passing nothing, we actually want our custom message. So let's create a variable that will hold some sort of string. And then we are simply passing the message variable with our callback function. Now let's refresh the page. And as you can see, it says hello world. Now this could be really useful if you are a theme developer and or plugin developer for that matter. Whatever it is, it could be really useful if you are trying to provide some sort of customer support to your clients. You can provide some sort of link back to your site or some sort of contact form, the link for a contact form of your site, just in case if your client wants to get back to you. There could be so many different usage, but it's entirely up to you. You can get creative with that one. The whole point is that using simple filter, we can customize this message, and that's the whole purpose of this video. I hope you find this useful and try to use it on your computer or on your own WordPress site and see how it goes. That's all for today. Take care. Bye-bye.